Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can send bulk messages through the TextSpeech WhatsApp API panel. So before we can do a bulk broadcast, we need to set up a few things first. First, we have to get the message template approved. Before sending any bulk broadcast, we need to get the message approved by the Meta, similar to how Troy approves SMS templates in India. In order to do that, we can click on Bot Manager, then click on Message Templates. Here you will be able to see all the templates that you previously applied for and got it accepted or rejected. So we are going to create a sample template now. So to do that, you can just click on create, then general template. So first we need to give a title for the template. This is just for our reference here. You can input anything you want, but be mindful that only small letters without special characters are allowed. So for this demo video, we are going to create a message template for a real estate company actually. Alright, so I'll be inputting the name as real estate demo. Next, we select the language. We support 30 plus languages in our panel, including Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, Gujarati, etc. After that, we will select the category of the message. So there are three types of messages, namely marketing, authentication OTP, and utility types. If a business sends any message from their side to the customer first, like promotion, sale or offer, anything, I will cover the message categories in detail in a separate video. So selecting the right category is important as Meta can reject if there's any mismatch here. So since I'm going to create a template for my real estate company to promote it actually, so it will be a marketing type message here. So after that, we are going to select the media type that we want to send across along with the message. So it can be either a text rating or image or video or a document. Each template will only allow one media file to be sent along with the message here. The space to include the media will be available during the broadcast process, which we will cover in the short while. We will select the image here. So after selecting the header type, we can input the message we want to send across. So you can also include variables in the message like names or anything as such, which will be covered in a different video in detail. So we can either manually type the message or copy it from a document like shown here. After that, we can include any call to action buttons here. You can choose to include no buttons or include a website and a call button or give any words or short sentence as a quick reply. Here we are going to select the call to action button and include a website. After including the URLs, check if everything is fine and click on save. Here you can see that the template has been submitted successfully. Close this window and click on sync template. Now we can see the template we just created. It's in pending status. That means the WhatsApp is reviewing the message. If the message is categorized correctly and is in relation to your business, you can get the approval in about 1 to 2 minutes max. Click on sync template again to see the real-time status of the template here. Here you can see that the message has been approved. Next, we are going to add the numbers that we want to send the message to. Click on subscribers manager. Here you can see the option to either upload the contacts in bulk or individually. If you want to upload the contacts in bulk, click on import contacts. Here you can see the dialog box to upload the same. We also provide a sample CSV in order to upload the contacts in the correct manner. Click on the download sample CSV and you can check it out in your downloads. You can select the label you want to tag them in. Labels are nothing more than tags to keep your contacts organized so that you won't send bulk message to the wrong set of people by mistake. To create labels, you can just click on manage here, then manage labels, then click on create. You can give any name you want, it's for your reference. Just a heads up, before you upload any contacts in bulk, make sure that the appropriate label has been created beforehand so that you can organize it easier later on. If you want to upload contacts individually, click on subscriber manager, then options, create subscribers. You can enter the name of the contact, then the number along with the country code, and then click on save here. If you want to label such contacts, just click on the toggle button here, that is beside the contact here, and then click on options, then assign label. So we are just assigning the label that we just created recently now. and it has been successfully assigned now. So you can filter the leads based on the labels here. So now we created a message template, got it approved, added the contacts and labeled them correctly. Alright, now we can do the bulk broadcast. So navigate to the WhatsApp broadcasting, click on create button here beside the broadcasting here. Then you will be taken to a new tab where you will see the two modules side by side, action button and the start bot flow. Double click on the action button, select the drop down menu here and select broadcasting. Input the campaign name, you can input any name you want. Click on anytime. Then select the template. The space to include the template, the space to include the image can be seen here. Upload the image. The max for each type of media can be seen at the bottom here. Then select the tags you want to include or exclude for this campaign. If you don't include any tags, then the message will be sent to everyone in your list actually. You can see the count of how many numbers you're sending the messages to in here actually. So in this video, I'm going to select the label to send to only myself, and you can see that the targeted subscribers went down to 1 here. So after that, check if everything is fine and then click on save here. Then double click on the start bot flow and then input the campaign name again. Click on save. Then click on the save once again in the top right corner here. The page will refresh for a second then. So go to the previous tab and then click on refresh. Now we can see that the campaign is in pending status, which means the Meta is now reviewing the campaign and will soon start sending after it approves. After pending, it goes on to the processing status, which means the campaign is being pushed out, and then it goes to the completed stage, which means all the numbers have been sent from the server. Let's click on refresh again. Now we can see that the campaign is being completed now. So let's go check if we received the message or not. So we received the message in the exact format that we created it, along with the image, the content and the call to action button here. So if I click on it, I'll be able to go to the website here. Alright, so now we can check the delivery report of the campaign in the panel itself. How many has been sent, how many has been delivered, and how many have opened the messages, and how many of the messages have been failed to send actually. Alright, and if you want any in-depth information, just click on the I symbol here and then you can see the status for each number here. Alright, and you can also download the report in an Excel format by clicking on this button here. Thank you.